how to go live on Starmaker Karaoke singing app. If you want to go live on Starmaker Karaoke singing app, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Starmaker application. After opening your application, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go with login or go get started, which will be on the bottom, and then log into your account. Now once you've logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the go live option, which will be in the top left corner of your screen. If you don't find it, you just need to simply go with the live option, which will be in the top left. Tap on live. And then as you can see that you will have go live option, tap on go live and grant your camera permissions or your recording permissions. Tap on OK, let's do it. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with go live, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to start your live. That's it. That's how you can go live on your Starmaker Karaoke singing app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.